Hello everyone, how to make Google Drive folder available offline. So let's start the first. Open your Google Drive and go to the right hand side and you can see the one option is available ready for offline. Just click on it and turn on your offline preview. And you can see your offline preview is turned on. And turn off this offline mode. Just click on the same option and click on the turn off. That's it. If this option is not found in your drive, then you can just go to the settings option, the gear icon, and click on the settings and scroll down and you can see the offline option. Make sure this option is selected. Okay. If you deselect this option and go back, and here you can see the offline mode option is disabled. Okay, offline is disabled. The left hand side you can see. And if you want to enable, just go to the setting, click on the settings, scroll down and click on this option. Now go back and again here you can see your offline option is enable. Okay, that's it. And to make the Google Drive folder available for offline, just click on this option and click on turn on. That's it. Offline preview is turned on. Now the folder available offline, so you can access and use it even without internet connection. So that's it. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.